Once upon a time in a faraway galaxy, there was a little star named Twinkle. Now Twinkle was very sad because she had lost her shine. The space cloud had stolen it and hidden it away. But luckily, Twinkle met Luna and her spaceship, Zippy. Together they went on an adventure to find the missing pieces of Twinkle-E's constellation so she could shine bright again. Along the way, they had to make some choices. Should they take the Rainbow Asteroid or the singing black hole? Well, that's for you to decide. If you think the Rainbow Asteroid is the right path, then let's go that way. Whoa, this asteroid is made of candy, and if you look closely, you can see that the rocks are actually made of gumdrops. But be careful, yikes. Or maybe you want to take the singing black hole. Oh, no, its song is so catchy, but also a little scary. Can you match its frequency and escape? If you can't, well, I guess you'll just have to stick around forever. Which path will you choose?